Okay, welcome. First up, Chishai Upper South will summarize the South African flag, which was adopted on April 27, 1994, and is a powerful symbol of the country's transition to democracy and its diverse unified identity. Let's break down its design, colors, and symbolism while also touching on its cultural and historical significance. Snow green, which forms the horizontal Y shape in the lower half of the flag. It represents the land, agriculture, and natural wealth of South Africa, often linked to the country's large landscape and environmental heritage. Green also resonates with the African National Congress colors, symbolizing the struggle for freedom. There's no red, which is the upper half of the flag above the Y shape. It stands for bloodshed and sacrifices made during the struggle against apartheid and colonialism. It honors the resilience of the people. Red was prominent in flags of liberation movements connecting to the fight for justice. Or blue, which is the lower triangle on the right side of the flag. It represents the sky, ocean, and hope for a peaceful future. It's a nod to South Africa's coastal beauty and aspirations for harmony. Blue also evokes the calm after the storm of apartheid, symbolizing reconciliation. There's no yellow, which borders the Y shape and forms a triangle at the hoist. It signifies, English, the country's mineral wealth like gold and a bright future. It's a color of optimism and prosperity. Yellow is a vibrant African color often associated with wealth and energy in traditional contexts. There's no black, which is the triangle at the hoist within the yellow borders. It represents the black majority of South Africa and their strength. It acknowledges the country's African identity and heritage. Black is a key color in many African flags, tying South Africa to the continent's broader identity. Snow ekugqibela white, which borders the black triangle and separates red and blue. It stands for peace and the white population, emphasizing unity across racial lines. White reflects the rainbow nation idea where all groups coexist. So now I'm going to breaking down the shape. The Y shape symbolizes the convergence of South Africa's diverse people and histories into a unified future. It's often interpreted as a path forward, blending the past, which is the struggle, and the present, which is diversity, and the future, which is